Hello. Okay, today I just received this packet. Okay, and now we will start to open it and we will see what is it. I will tell you a little bit. There are scale model cars 164 of Greenlight cars. Greenlight brand cars, okay? It's one of my favorite brand of model cars and 164, and you will see why. Okay, it's a brand of the Indianapolis, and here it's a little bit expensive it's more expensive than Hot Wheels or Majorette model cars, but it's good to spend money. Okay, now we will have a look and start open it. Okay, here we have 4 small boxes, more smaller than the big one. There were 2 boxes, 2 big boxes, and inside the boxes are 5 more boxes, okay? And we will see which models we have here. Okay, this is a Dodge Monaco of 76, okay? Later we will open it, okay? First we see what we have here. It's another one, the same, okay. Here it's a Plymouth Fury of 78 of Virginia State Police, okay. Another one of Dodge Monaco of Idaho State Police, okay. One more Plymouth Fury, and another one of Plymouth Fury, okay. Here what we have, oh this is one of my favorite, the 75 Plymouth Fury, okay. This is the perfect movie police car, okay. Another one. I love to buy a lot because since I was a child I loved the police persecutions in the movies, okay. That's why I buy this much. And okay, Plymouth Fury, we have 6 Plymouth Fury of the 75, okay. What else? Of Terminator movie, Dodge Monaco, okay, perfect.